Good day everyone! Welcome to our Bisaya English Translation Daily Use Tutorial. Without further ado, this is Teacher Mel. Let's get started. Nagkaon na ka? Did you eat already? Gwapa kay ka. You're so beautiful. Pangit ka. You're ugly. Seryoso ka diha? Do you mean it? Unta kaya nako. I wish I could. Dili nako sala. That's not my fault. Gusto nako awaton ka. I want to be like you. Asa sila nagpadulong? Where did they go? Mangayo dapat kaniya og pasaylo. You should apologize to her. Kumusta na ka? How have you been? Perhaps he will come. Siguro moabot siya. Wala pa ko nakaanha dito. I have never been there. Diri ra ka sa amo. Stay here with us. Gipa ako sa lamok. A mosquito just bit me. Ayaw pagkalain sa ako. Don't get me wrong. Istoryahan na nato na unya. Let's talk about it later. Itunol sa ako ang yabi. Bring me the key. Wala ko'y trabaho. I have no job. Unsa kataas ang imong buhok? How long is your hair? Buutan kayo ka. It's very kind of you. Muulan ugma. It will rain tomorrow. Unsay nahitabo sa iya? What happened to him or her? Ako na bahala, ani. Let me handle this. Naglakaw ko og isa ka oras. I walk for an hour. Murag lipay kaayo siya. She look very happy. Kugi kayo ka. You are so diligent. Pwede ko nimo tabangan? Could you help me out? Na timing lang to. It's just a coincidence. Kinsay nag-istorya nimo ana? Who told you that? Ayaw na pagkalas-kalas og tawag niya. Don't bother to call on her. Dili na nako masaad nimo. I can't promise you that. Dugay na tika wala nakita. I haven't seen you for ages. Wala kay angay kahadlukan. There's nothing to be afraid of. Kabalo ko sa akong gibuhat. I know what I'm doing. Dili ba nimo kayang buhaton? Can't you do it? Nilad lagi na siya sa ako. She's very mean to me. Thanks for watching. Enjoy learning. Bye-bye. Till next time.